In this guide, I will show with you how you can cancel your SciSpace subscription. So if you want to cancel your subscription, all you have to do, go to your account here and then click on your setting. When you click on the setting, you have different option here. So guys, in this case, and I don't have any premium subscription yet. If you have any subscription premium, just go to your profile and then from the profile, select your plan and billing. So guys, from this profile you will see the plan and billing, this option. After that, click on cancel subscription. So guys, in this case, just try to cancel subscription. You just go to the billing from here, look for the billing and payment or plan, billing and plan, and then choose your cancellation subscription in this case. So guys, it is easy steps. If you have any problem, down below in the comments and I will answer your question as soon as possible.